Alexa, say hi.
Hi there.
And you're probably wondering what this big box is.
And what is inside it?
Well, today we're going to be checking out this amazing skill that our amazing Grandma Chickee made.
Yeah.
And there are items in this box for kitchen safety.
Yeah.
And so this summer, we're Army kids. And we travel everywhere. So we're going to visit our dad.
This summer.
Anyways, let's get started. Alexa. Wait, no. We're going to open the box first.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Cute little bow. Yeah.
I got it. Okay. I'll open the first thing. I'll open this. Okay.
Wait. Stop. You ready?
Wait. Alrighty, time for the unboxing. I'm ready. Ready.
If you guys are excited, comment down below because we're excited too.
Steady. Open it.
So we have a book.
This book, our Grandma Chickee made it.
We have. What is it?
One at a time.
Oh, Jesus.
We have
Gloves,
mittens,
like when
mittens
you,
and towels.
yeah. So like when you take stuff out the oven and put it in.
We have, what is this? It's a cooking concepts. Cooking concepts.
What is this?
And this is a little apron.
Yeah, so cute. So wait, let me see. Okay, it's just white. It's just white. Everybody, it's just a white apron. Don't worry, it has nothing on it.
And so now we're going to be checking out the skill. Alexa, open kitchen safety.
Welcome to Kitchen Safety. Here is where you will learn the 3 C's to avoid germs, burns, and other things to learn before cooking. If you are ready to be germ and burn free, say yes, or no, I've changed my mind.
Yes!
Great. Let's start with the first C, clothes. Wear an apron to protect your clothes from food splatter and stains. Wear a hairnet to prevent hair from getting into food. You have learned the first C to kitchen safety. Do you want to hear more kitchen safety ways to avoid germs and burns? Say sounds good or no.
Sounds good.
Great. Here is the second C, cooking clean. Use a clean dish towel to clean the kitchen table and counters. Wash your hands with warm soapy water before cooking. You have learned the second C to kitchen safety. Do you want to hear more ways to avoid germs and burns? Say okay or no.
Okay.
Great. Finally, the third C, cooking careful. Wear an oven mitt when placing something in a hot oven. Turn pot handles on stovetop inward. You have learned the 3 C's to kitchen safety. Now you are ready to avoid germs and burns before cooking. Will you come back for a refresher before the next time you cook? Say definitely or no.
Definitely.
Great. Come back to get a refresher before you cook. Just say Alexa, open kitchen safety to open the skill again. Goodbye.
So that was kitchen safety that our amazing Grandma Chickee made. Also, you can get one of these boxes. It's going to be in the link down below.
Yeah, and also don't forget to like,
Subscribe,
hit
hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video. As always, I'm Alani. This is my little sister,
Chrissy, and this is our girl Alexa. Say hi. Bye.
Sorry, I
Alexa.
don't know that one.
Say bye.
Goodbye.
and always
This is
always remember, be safe in the kitchen.
yeah.